What's up, teacher friends? Mr. Brown here, EdTech Instructional Coach at Princeton ISD, and today we are going to take a look at Whiteboard.chat. All right, so Whiteboard.chat is a digital whiteboard, a sharing tool. You can use it in person or remote learning, so let's go ahead and start teaching. You can see I am signed in with my Googles, so you can save your boards and everything and bring them back up if you need to. If we want to share our board with our class, we can just click the invite button in the top right corner. We're going to get a QR code. We also get a little classroom code, and you have a URL hyperlink that you can just post into chat somewhere. We can click anywhere on the board, and we can start typing. Hold down Control and press Enter to go to the next line. If we press Enter without holding down Control, it closes out our little box there. So we can click and drag, and we've got a drawing tool here, right? All right, let's see what else we've got over here. We can manage our boards. Grids. These grids are amazing. If you want to throw a grid on there, you can do that. You can also change it to handwriting lines, college lined. We've got a coordinate plane as a background kind of template that we can put on here. Let's see what else. Primary lined. You can throw a music sheet up there. Music teachers, it's something for you, music teachers. It's something that works for music teachers because also music teachers up here. There's math symbols that you can pick, and there's also music symbols that you can pick. So if you want to grab a treble clef and click it over here, you can do that. If you want to grab a quarter note, click it over here, you can do that. How cool is that? Look at all the different symbols you can pick from over here. We've got currency symbols. We've got game pieces. Chemistry, we've got Valentine's, and we've got 3D shapes that you can use in your little presentation in your lesson that you're doing. We've got patterns, lots of tools to explore and go through there. We can download our board when we're done with it if we want to save it, like maybe we made notes, maybe we made visual notes and we want to download those and save those to share with people later. We can add media if we want to drop in our webcam or upload a photo or video. In the tools, we've got, of course, our line drawing, which we saw. We can use arrows, shapes. We can select things. We can add a note. Let's see what that looks like. We can add a little Post-it note. Boom. Calculators. So many super cool tools and features built into this. This is absolutely amazing. Write software. Holy moly, maybe if we know how to code, we can code stuff. Look at that. You could put some code in there and then tell it to run the code. Sweet. Absolutely amazing. We've got a picture tool where we can upload a picture from our computer. Let's see if we get that on the background here. Let's put our whiteboard on our whiteboard here. All kinds of potential that you could use this tool for. Thanks for taking a moment to check it out here. Dive into it. Let me know how it goes for you. Do you like it? Do you love it? Shoot me an email and let me know so I can share your feedback with everybody else. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, be amazing to everybody.